Hey everyone, Jake here. We're with our friends at Prairie Organic Spirits to use their cucumber flavored vodka to make a cocktail that tastes just like a day at the spa. All right, let's chat. So we use Prairie Organic cucumber flavored vodka to make this drink. Not only are they the #1 organic spirits brand out there, but they also donate 1% of all of their sales to help farms go organic. That is definitely something we can cheers to.
To start, I just have half an English cucumber. Take off the little end, and then we are going to give it a little chop. This is all gonna get blended, so super rough. Beautiful. Okay, I just sliced up one 1-inch piece of ginger. Just wanna start to cut through the fibers because they will get caught in your blender. To a blender, we're going to throw everything in, our cucumber and ginger, as well as 2 tablespoons of fresh mint, 2 tablespoons of sugar or agave, and 3/4 of a cup of water. Okay, time to strain our cucumber ginger mixture. You get that beautiful green color from the mint and from the cucumber skins.
You should get about 1 cup of this gorgeous juice that now we're going to fortify with our Prairie Organic cucumber flavored vodka.
All right, let's build a cocktail. We're going to start with 2 ice-filled glasses. I'm going to pour half a cup of our cucumber juice in both. I love the color that comes from this. Beautiful. Now we have obviously our Prairie Organic cucumber flavored vodka. It's crisp on the palate. It's just so bright and fresh. We're just gonna add in 1 ounce. We want this a bit on the low ABV side. And give this a little stir. We want to finish it with some sparkling water. And to garnish, some cucumber wheels.
Last thing is to give this a try. I have my sister to have a little happy hour with me. Cheers. That's refreshing. You like it?
Fresh.
Huge thanks to Prairie Organic Spirits for the awesome cucumber flavored vodka that we used in this cocktail. If you want the full recipe, you can head to thefifi.com, and I'll see you next time.